In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects in Google Slides. This is a handy technique to master, especially if you're collaborating with others or want to maintain consistency across your presentations. So, let's dive right in. First, to start working in Google Slides, head on over to the Google Slides website. It's super easy to find with a quick search, or you can follow the usual bookmark you might have. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. You're likely quite familiar with this step, but just in case, make sure to input your correct email address and password to access your files. If you've set up two-step verification, go through that process too. This ensures all your work remains secure. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see all your recent presentations. Take a moment to navigate through if you're looking for a specific file, or for the purposes of this tutorial, simply click on creating a new blank presentation. This can be a great starting point when testing out features or building something from the ground up. Once you're inside your new presentation, locate the file option at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with various options at your disposal. Now scroll down to the download option. This is where the magic really begins. By selecting this, a secondary menu will appear. Here, look for the PNG image, PNG current slide option. Select this and your current slide, complete with any object you want to lock, will be downloaded as a PNG image to your computer. The reason we do this step is to transform our Google slide into a static image, effectively locking the position and appearance of any objects on it. Downloading it as a PNG keeps the image quality intact, maintaining nice sharp details. Finally, head back to your Google Slides, click Insert, and choose Image to re-upload the PNG. Position it properly on the slide, and now, because it's an image, none of the objects are editable, giving you a fully locked slide. This is perfect for maintaining the slide's integrity, while also allowing others to overlay text or new content without disrupting the original design. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to lock objects in Google Slides. This method is fantastic for teachers, team projects, or anyone looking to keep presentation aesthetics intact. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.